Dart skill presents mixed numbers. Let's start with a circular pizza, and let's say you want to eat 3/4 of this pizza. So you take out a knife and cut the pizza into 4 equal pieces. So the number that you see on the denominator is the number of pieces you make, 4. And you eat 3 out of those 4 pieces. In other words, you put together 3 of those 4 pieces to know your share of this pizza. Your friend comes over and she's so hungry that she wants to eat 5/4 of a pizza. So you take out a pizza again. Let's say you have as many as you want in your fridge. Wishful thinking, right? Alright. So you cut this into 4 equal parts because the denominator in this case is also 4. But hey, wait. How can you give your friend 5 pieces when you only have 4? So even if you were to give away the whole pizza to your friend, that would only be 4 pieces out of 4 pieces, or 4/4. We need another piece. Where do we get it from? Obviously, you take out another pizza, cut it into 4 equal pieces, like you did on the other one, and this time, because you already got 4 pieces from the other one, you give her 1 piece from this pizza. So this and this combined is 5/4 or 5/4. Now if you take a look at the overall picture, what fraction of a pizza has your friend eaten? Yes, it's 5/4, 5 pieces. When each one is cut into 4 pieces, that's okay. But can we also say that she has eaten 1 whole pizza and another 1/4 from another pizza? We can, right? That's also true. Which means the fraction 5/4 is the same as the mixed number 1 whole and 1/4. A fraction in which the numerator, or the number on the top, is smaller than the denominator, or the number on the bottom, is called a proper fraction. On the other hand, a fraction in which the numerator is larger than the denominator, as in 5/4, is called an improper fraction. And any improper fraction can be changed over to a mixed number. And vice versa, meaning given any mixed number, you can find the equivalent improper fraction for it. To change an improper fraction to a mixed number, you got to divide the numerator with the denominator. The quotient is the whole number in the mixed number. The remainder is the numerator of the fractional portion, and the denominator stays the same. So when you do 5 divided with 4, you get 1 on the top. That becomes the whole number, this portion, and then 4 times 1 is 4. Subtract. You get a 1 as the remainder. This one is this numerator on the fractional portion. Similarly, if you were to change the fraction, let's say 7/4, to a mixed number, you would divide 7 with 4. 4 times 1 is 4. Subtract, you get a 3. So 7/4 is equivalent to the mixed number 1 whole and 3/4. Similarly, the fraction 5/2 is the same as 5 divided with 2. 2 times 2 is 4. Subtract, you get a 1 down. So this is equal to 2 wholes and 1/2, or 2.5. To change a mixed number to its equivalent fraction form, obviously it's going to be an improper fraction. You multiply the whole number with the denominator and add the numerator to the result, and divide all of that with the same denominator. So 1 times 4 is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. We have a 5 on the top, and the denominator stays unchanged. And if you were to change the mixed number, let's say 3 and 4/5 to its equivalent fraction form, you would do 3 times 5, multiply these two, that's 15, plus the numerator 4, all over the same denominator 5. So this is 19/5. That's how you change between mixed numbers and improper fractions. And a proper fraction cannot be changed to a mixed number, because if you divide the numerator with the denominator is always larger than the numerator in a proper fraction, the answer to the division or the quotient will always be 0. So it's like saying this is equal to 0 wholes. If you were to divide 3 with 4, you will get a 0 on the top, right? Because 4 times nothing is going to give you 3. So that's the same as saying 0 wholes and then the remainder is 3 and the denominator is 4. So 3/4 is the same as 0 wholes and 3/4. Doesn't make any sense. Basically the same thing. The 0 wholes doesn't count. That's why you don't change a proper fraction to its equivalent mixed number. Looks silly. Hope that makes sense.